If you're looking at getting a blow dry brush or want a little bit of comparison between the T3 and the Revlon, you're in luck. Today I'm going to blow dry my hair, one side with the T3 and one side with the Revlon, to give us a very clear picture on the differences, the similarities. Is the T3 actually worth that much more money? Or is the Revlon just fine? I have very fine thin hair. I have prepped my hair with the L'Oreal Volumetry Spray and also the Kerastase Blonde Absolute. This has a heat protectant in there. If you are blow drying your hair or using any heat, you need a heat protectant. I love this one. I will leave the links for both. And let's get after it. I'm gonna part my hair, put it up, put half of it back. And I use a blow dry brush. I always do it in sections. So I'm going to section off the top half to start. I'll do the bottom half and then I will do the top half. And so I'm gonna do my left side with the T3. This one has different heat settings between the fan and the temperature. There's also a cool blast that you can also do. I pretty much do it at high speed and then one below the hottest temperature, which is kind of what I've always done. I don't know if that's right or wrong, but that's what I do. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Let's do it. Okay, this side is done. As you can see, I don't feel like it gives it like so much crazy volume, but it is like really sleek, really smooth, looks very much like a blowout that you did at home. This glides through your hair very easily. Every once in a while, I will hit the cold shot on accident, but overall, this is a really great, easy to use blow dry brush. Let's do the Revlon. Okay, again, I am going to pin up the top half like I always do. And this one just has a cool, low, medium, and high. And that one's done. As you could tell, this one went a lot faster than the T3. That is because this one is super hot. So that's one thing to keep in mind. If you want something that is a little bit more gentle, probably gonna keep your hair healthier for longer, this one is definitely the way to go because this one almost gets so hot. I don't know if you could tell in the video, but there was times when I was doing it that it was like almost too hot for me to be able to like grab my hair after. That makes me wonder if you use this all the time long term, it just would get your hair really damaged from being too hot. However, as you can see, the results are basically the same. They're both really sleek, clean blowouts. This one almost gives you a little bit more volume. This one is definitely louder than this one. And again, it just gets way more hot than this one. So when you think about the pros for each, the pros, This one is fast, super fast and extremely affordable, whereas this one, it's better for your hair. You have more options for speed and heat, and this one is quieter. Honestly, my ear right now is ringing just a little bit from how loud this one is, whereas this one, I didn't even notice really anything at all when it comes to the sound on my ear. Cons, this one is super hot and you have no option of making it less hot. The cons for this one is strictly the price. This one is a lot more expensive than this one, but when you think about hair treatment and having to, I don't know, like buy hair masks and cut your hair and do all the things, if you really damage your hair from this one, maybe paying a little bit more money for something that's a little bit better on your hair is worth it. However, if you're somebody who only wants to do this like once a month, this is a great option because you're not going to be using it every single day. It's not something that's going to damage your hair when you do it once a month or a couple times a month. This one's still a really, really great option. So at the end of the day, you need to choose which one is best for you. If you're somebody who's going to use it every single day, I would probably go with this one. If you're somebody who wants the occasional blowout at home, this one is a great option. I will link both of them below. I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much for watching.